Hey everyone, welcome to Joy and Folk Kitchen, where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this quick, simple, delicious chicken lo mein. So to get started, I'm going to season my chicken breast. I have a large chicken breast here that I've already cut up into thin strips. And to season it, I'm going to go in with some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and some dark soy sauce. Now I'm not going to be using any salt because the soy sauce already has a lot of sodium, and I don't want my dish to be too salty. So I'm going to cover this and set this aside to marinate for at least 30 minutes. So for my sauce, I have here 1 chicken bouillon cube, and to it I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of water. You can also use chicken stock instead of using the bouillon cube. And to this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and a teaspoon of cornstarch. Give that a good stir until everything is dissolved, and then set this aside. The vegetables that I'll be using today are carrots, pak choy, some people say bok choy, sweet peppers or bell pepper, baby corn, and here I have some scallions. I separated the white part from the green part because I'll be adding the green part last, and some garlic. I almost forgot I'll be tossing in some broccoli as well. This is fresh broccoli that I bought, and I had it in my freezer, so I just quickly blanched this by submerging it in some hot water. Today I'll be using my cast iron skillet, but if you have a non-stick skillet, that works just as well. So I'm gonna add about 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I'm gonna let that heat up a bit. Now that this has heated up to my liking, I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken. And I'm gonna let that stir for about a minute. And my stove is on medium. So I'm gonna add the white part of my scallions as well as my garlic. And in goes my carrots. These are a lot denser, which means that they take a little bit more time to cook. Hence the reason I'm adding them first. So I'm gonna keep stirring because I don't want my garlic to burn. So I'm gonna add my bell peppers, my pak choy, I'm gonna add my broccoli, as well as my noodles, which I've cooked for literally a minute. And in goes my sauce. I'm gonna add a few more tablespoons of water, and this is the water that I cook my noodles in. And then continue stirring. And I'm gonna taste for flavor. Right, and it's perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my corn and the green part of my scallions. In case you're wondering why I added the corn so late, I'm using canned corn, so it's already cooked. And there you have it, guys. Easy, delicious chicken lo mein. Thanks so much for watching. It's always a pleasure having you in my kitchen. Please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I'm on the road to reaching my first 1,000 subscribers, and I'd really appreciate your help. Hit the bell icon as well so you won't miss any of my weekly uploads. You can also follow me on my socials, which are linked in the description box below. And until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.